I have a pretty big Hobby Lobby haul to share with you guys. It's just been some stuff that I've been grabbing over my last couple of visits to Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to share with you guys what I picked up. So these are so cute. I saw them and I walked by and I was like, oh, I don't know what to do with those. And look, it's like foiled little tree that says Merry Christmas, which is this part right here, and then here is like the box. And I ended up deciding that I'm gonna get these, build them, and put Happy Mail in there. So I thought that was a really cute idea. Christmas is 50% off right now, so I think this would be a great little packaging display to send it out in. And then I did also get their parchment paper that I'm gonna put in these boxes since it matched with the red and the white. I want to do a whole candy cane theme, you know, just red, just white. I think that'd be really cute. So again, these were half off, and like right here they showed where they kind of used like the twine to around the little like muffin. So I thought these were really cute. I like the font, nice and thin, so I think those will match perfectly together. And then they had these little gift card holders that I thought were really cute. You can always just use the little Santa cut out for like your scrapbooking or put it like on a project. So that's what I was thinking. I want to do, I have a video where I put the jewelry boxes from Dollar Tree and made it into a book because somebody had sent it to me like that a couple years ago. And I thought this would be really cute on the cover of that little book. So I got those. And then these are just always a must-have to have in my stash. So I went specifically looking for the snowflakes because I want to paint them, glitter them, emboss them, and send it out in one of my swaps. So I had to get those. And then I was like, okay, let me get these. Like, I am 99% sure I still have these in my stash from last year that I have not used. I just don't know where they're at the moment. So I was like, you know what, let me just get them because I, again, want to do that whole candy cane theme. And then the tree, I figured I will paint it, glitter it in green, add a little star, and then some little diamond dots to the tree. I thought that would be really cute and easy. And kind of the same thing with the little truck right here. I'm just going to paint it all, put some green glitter on the tree, and then use some little black flatbacks as the tire. So those are going to be really easy to go ahead and jazz up. Now these are $2.50, but like I said, it's half off. And then the little display case, save these. You can do shadow boxes. I use these specifically for when I'm die cutting, and if I have a bunch of little pieces, you know, I'll start sorting it out. My best example is when I'm cutting up a gnome. You know, I have like the left hand, the right hand, the nose, the beard, the hat, the body, the right foot, the left foot. So it's just easy to stick them all in here and just die cut a bunch at one time and then just start gluing them together, and I have it all together like this. So love those. So like I said, I joined a Christmas swap, and the lady likes pink, so I got her one of these little mini Christmas trees. I think they're super cute. It lights up, really affordable. So this was $5, like I said, half off. So I think that's gonna be really cute to send out to her. And then with that, I got this box over from the baking section. I believe these were half off as well. So I'm hoping that this will fit in there, but I thought this would be really pretty. It's already all gold and shiny and pretty. So then I could just go ahead and put some of this paper in the background and then put the little ornament right on top. I'm hoping it will fit. It says that it's 4.5 by 3, and it's supposed to be a cupcake box. So I'm hoping it'll fit. I'm hoping to be able to lay it down kind of like in the window like this. And yeah, hopefully that will fit, because I don't think this is wider than 3 inches, but I could be wrong. So got that one. And then I also got these boxes because I thought it would be really cute for packaging as well. They're just little clear boxes. You get 8 of them. They were half off. And then again, you can see the size right here on that. So I thought that would be just cute to have. So this is what I went for. I went just to get these little storage containers, and these normally were over in the diamond dot section, and they were $1.99. But I found these over in the jewelry section for $1.50. So you know me, I'm going to save me some money. So in my crazy mind, I only went for this one box. And because I was like, oh, I'm saving 50 cents. I might as well get 2. So So I'm going to use these as well for sending out some of my swap stuff in there. These containers are really nice just to use in itself because you can put beads in here or you can put charms in here and then just put a sleeve on it and decorate that sleeve and just send out that single piece. It's a little 4-pack. So yeah, that's going to be really cute to send out. And then I decided, I don't know why, that for $3.50 I needed these pastel colors. Now, like I said, one of the swaps I joined, well, actually 2 of them, the lady likes pink. So I was like, okay, let me get these pink, and then I want to do beaded Christmas tassels. So I was like, that's good. There's a green, there's some yellow, there's a couple blues in here that I can use, and then the rest I can save for like Easter time. So I got those. Okay, I got these cupcake picks. I think they're super cute. They say Merry Christmas. They're $3. Has anybody just cut these off? Because I have some Valentine's ones that I cut and it cracked. So if anybody has a better way to cut these, or maybe I just need better scissors, let me know. Oh, maybe I'll use my jewelry pliers that I specifically have a set of jewelry pliers for my die cuts. Maybe I'll try that one and see if it snips a little bit better. But yeah, if anybody's taking these picks off and just use this part, let me know, how did you cut it off? I would love some suggestions. Then these are like little stickers. So I don't see where it's like a gift bag sticker. It just looks like a Santa cutout. So I thought these were really cute. And for $3, half off, I thought that would be really, really cute just to go ahead and have in my stash. And there's 30 of those. So I got those. And then, like I said, I want to do some like embossing on those snowflakes. So I know I have a pad. I just don't know if it's not dried out yet. And it was a different company, not this one. But I saw this one for $2.50. I'm like, let me just grab it just in case that I need it. So I'm hoping this is the one I need. It says embossing. So I'm hoping that's the one that will get the powder to stick. I guess I should have read it before I left the store, but I didn't. Then these, I wasn't going to get these at first, but I'm like, they're just really cute. And I don't know, I just really, really love them. So this was half off. So I grabbed those. I just think they're really cute. And there's a lot of nice little colors in here. Like I could use some of the green for Christmas. I could use the pink for the ladies that like the pink, you know, and there's some red in here. So I just thought those were really nice. So I decided to grab those. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff, you guys. So I got some Grinch items that are going to be in this bag. Like, look at how cute these pens are. We have Cindy Lou Who and the Grinch. I just thought that these were just so adorable. They are $9, but those also came out to be half off. These, I always say you need these in your stash. They're only $1, cheaper than Dollar Tree. So anything that's always cheaper than Dollar Tree, you got to grab. Last time I hauled only one because that's all they had. I found some more. Super happy with that. And I was just at my Hobby Lobby yesterday on Saturday, and the Christmas section, I was surprised at how small it's gotten since the last time I was in there. I was like shocked. I couldn't believe how much has already sold out. So yeah, just wild to me. Okay, these are supposed to be wooden gift tags. I just thought they were really cute. They don't say to and from on the back. I thought it'd be really cute to get like a rhinestone, a little pom-pom. I just thought they were adorable. So I grabbed those. Those were half off. I just think they're really cute. I was thinking about maybe putting it on like a, what is it called? An ATC card. I thought that might be nice for that. Then, like I said, I got some Grinch items this time around. So there's 2 little notebooks in here for $7. Love those. There was spray paint on clearance for $2.50. So I got a green and the red and also the gold, I believe. But the gold one, if I remember correctly, is missing the lid. Yeah, see? Then there was the gold for $2.50. That one's missing the lid. So I got to be careful with that one. Okay, jump rings. I'm always running out of jump rings. So these are my favorite ones. They say heavy gauge, so they're thicker. These are the ones that I always get. So I always just need more of those in my stash. I'm always going through them so fast. And then I also got the larger ones so that I can use these with those right here. This, what is this? embroidery floss for those beaded tassels. So I got those. Then little Christmas bulb lights, always so cute, always a must-have. The My Little Christmas is my favorite little part of the Christmas stuff. I wish that they had Disney, like how they have like a whole Grinch aisle. I wish they had Disney. So I got the pencils here. I thought they were really cute. I cannot wait for this stuff to go 75% off. But honestly, with the way my store is looking, I don't think I'm going to have very much to choose from this year. These little tags, adorable. You can definitely use these as ephemera. I probably should have bought more than just one because they're just so stinking cute. Again, with these mini little enamel-like stickers, they're just really cute and really small. Can use these on anything. So I had to grab a set of those. And then there were these puffy stickers. I love like gingerbread houses and this little like cup right here. We used to make gingerbread houses every year. Like, it was insane. These shakers, I just love them. They're so cute. These, I hope I can find at a better deal so I could just grab like a bunch and stock up on those. So that's where I'm going to stop this video right now because I still got a whole lot more and this video is getting long. So thank you guys so much for watching. Come back. Maybe tomorrow I'll have the rest of this haul up because I'm probably going to need like another 10 minutes for it. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'm always happy to help you guys out and we'll see you later. Bye guys.